In this browser, I have the extension turned off, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Get that icon up here. Now in Salesforce, whenever the page loads, it has to be a lightning page. It automatically inserts the Dewwow icon into the menu here. So when you click on this, it opens up our window. And right now I've just got the functions at the top. So the first one is fetching field security. So this is going to do a metadata API request. So this takes time. It does the request, and then it has to keep asking Salesforce, is it completed, is it completed? And then when it finally finishes, it downloads the zip file, extracts it, processes all the profiles and object settings, and then shows them on the screen here. So right now, if you want to put this in Excel, you kind of have to like drag and copy them. But in the next version of the component that's already been submitted for approval, there's another button up here for you to copy it to the clipboard. So you can just press that new button and then paste it in Excel. This other button for get objects, it just does a quick API request and just gets all the objects in the system. And this is basically all the objects that it's requesting when you fetch field security. And probably some of them don't make sense. They're not really data objects. But that's what it has right now. So this is just a start. And I'd appreciate feedback, things that you'd like it to do. The next thing I have on my list is, instead of showing you every field for every object and every profile, I'm going to let you select just the objects that you care about and just the profiles that you care about. And then I think fetching it from Salesforce will go a lot faster, and you won't have to dig through so much noise if you're only interested in like comparing two profiles. All right, that's it. Have fun.